AI is everywhere, editing videos, writing scripts, even creating entire virtual influencers. But here's the big question. Can machines truly replace YouTubers? Let's dive into the rise of AI in content creation and find out what it means for creators. Today, we're tackling one of the hottest debates in the creator world, AI's growing role in video editing, script writing, and even presenting content. Are YouTubers at risk of being replaced, or is AI just a helpful sidekick? AI is already changing the game. Tools like ChatGPT for generating video scripts, Runway ML for automating video editing, and Synthesia for creating realistic AI avatars are empowering creators to work faster and more efficiently. But these tools aren't just assisting, they're starting to take on tasks that used to require human creativity. What AI can do: write engaging scripts in seconds, edit videos with minimal input, generate lifelike avatars and voices. Let's talk about the positives. AI can save creators hours of work. Efficiency: automated editing tools can speed up post-production. Cost savings: AI-generated voices and animations reduce the need for expensive talent. Accessibility: beginners can create professional-looking videos with minimal skills. For example, instead of spending days editing your vlog, you can use AI tools like Descript to cut, caption, and polish your content in minutes. Sounds like a win, right? But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. AI comes with its challenges like lack of creativity. AI struggles to replicate the originality and humor of human creators. Emotion and connection: AI-generated content can feel robotic, lacking the personal touch that builds audience trust. Ethical concerns: using AI for deep fakes or virtual influencers raises serious questions about authenticity. AI limitations: generic storytelling, lack of emotional depth, risk of over-reliance on automation. AI may be great at following instructions, but can it truly replicate the human spark that makes YouTubers relatable? So, will machines replace YouTubers? The answer is not anytime soon. Here's why. Audiences crave authenticity, real emotions, and unique personalities, something AI can't fully replicate. AI is a tool, not a creator. It can assist with repetitive tasks, but the heart of a channel lies in the creator's voice and vision. Think of AI as your co-pilot, not your replacement. It's here to make your work easier, but the magic of content creation still depends on you. Looking ahead, AI will likely become even more integrated into content creation. We might see tools that can predict viral trends, generate entire videos on demand, or even personalize content for individual viewers. Future of AI in content creation: predictive content ideas, fully automated production pipelines, personalized viewer experiences. But no matter how advanced AI gets, it'll always need humans to guide it. Creativity, storytelling, and connection: that's where humans shine. So, what do you think? Is AI a game changer for creators, or does it risk taking over the creative process? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content about the future of creativity and tech. See you in the next video.